Hi guys, it's Carrie, the Invisible Goddess, and today we're going to learn how to make a double crochet. You'll need the following materials: yarn. I'm using an off-white worsted weight number 4 yarn. Does not have a ball band. I am using an I crochet hook in a boy style, and you'll also need a pair of scissors. So let's get started. To make a double crochet, we want to start with 2 chains. That gives us the height that we need to match the rest of the stitches. So 1, 2. If you need help with how to make a chain, I do have a video on that. Okay, so we just made our chain basically in these V-stitches. So our first stitch is actually going to be here in these V-stitches. So to start your double crochet, you have 1 loop on the hook, and you wrap your yarn around the hook, and you insert it into the 2 foundation V's. 1, 2. Wrap your yarn around the hook again and pull through. So you have 3 loops on your hook. This is really similar to a half double crochet, but it's a little different. So next, you take your working yarn and put it over the hook, and you pull it through only 2 loops on your hook. So you end up with 2 more loops on your hook. You wrap the working yarn around your hook again, and you pull it through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And that is what your double crochet looks like. Alright, so let's make 2 more. So you have 1 loop on your hook. Wrap your yarn around your hook once. Insert your hook into your 2 foundation V's. Take your working yarn over your hook. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Take your working yarn and wrap it around your hook. Pull it through 2 of the loops on your hook. So you have 2 loops left. Wrap your working yarn around your hook again and pull it through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. That's what your stitch looks like. So let's do 1 more, and then I'll carry on to the end of the row. So you have 1 loop on your hook. Wrap your working yarn around your hook. Insert your hook into the next foundation V's through both of them. Take your working yarn and wrap it around your hook. Pull it through your foundation V's. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Take your working yarn, wrap it around your hook. Pull it through the 2 loops on your hook. So you end up with 2 loops. And then you take your working yarn, wrap it around your hook once again, and pull it through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And I'm going to continue through the end of the swatch. When you get to the end, you want to make sure you catch your last stitch. Put it through 2 loops. Oh. So excited about my last stitch, I forgot to put my yarn over. So from here and above is your double crochet. Congratulations, you just made a double crochet. Peace out, homie.